a lush forest, a crow named Croaky gazed longingly at a peacock's dazzling plumage. Oh, how magnificent! Croaky thought. If only I had feathers like those, I would be the most stunning bird in the forest. One day he asked his friends, "How can I get feathers like peacocks?" They replied, "You are beautiful as you are. You have no need of such feathers. Your beauty lies in your own uniqueness. So, embrace your black feathers, for they are strong and sleek." But Rocky wouldn't listen.
Croaky always flew over that parts of green forest where the peacocks lived happily. They always danced here and there, and the Croaky always stared at them because he loved their colors and he always thought about to be a peacock. He always thought that his color is useless and he is looking not good. He should be attractive like the other peacocks. He always count their colors. He loved their dance and he always liked their rainbow colors. He was very curious about the colors of their feathers. He thought they have rainbow colors in their feathers, and these feathers are very, very beautiful. He ever just planning to be a peacock.
He sought out for draped feathers of peacocks when peacocks were dancing. Rocky gathered that feathers, and now his black feathers transformed into vibrant ones, just like peacocks. At first, Rocky was overjoyed, but soon he realized that his new feathers are heavy and hard to manage.
So, being a temporary peacock, he was dancing in the jungle, and all the other birds and peacocks were staring at him. He was looking so odd, and the peacock also said to him, "Croaky, you are not a peacock, so go away."
He struggled to fly and lost his flight. He just wept for this silly act. Croaky realized that his true beauty lay in his original form. He dropped all his peacock feathers. His friends said, "You should proudly embrace your unique appearance, understanding that true strength lies in being oneself." So, moral of the story is, You are beautiful as you are.